Hello, WPP stars. My name is Florian, and today we want to do a vegetarian dish. The vegetarian dish is topinambur. Topinambur, here we have the fruit in a leaf of figs from a fig tree, and we put this in later in a salt dough. And yeah, now we start. We cut here shortly the fig leaf. You just need a half actually for one, and then I take here the big vein I take out. So it's just a little bit that it's not too hard, it's a little bit more flexible. So then we have here one pre-cooked topinambur. We cook as a stock from shallots, from white wine, from some vinegar, and from the trimmings of the topinambur. And this is pre-cooked for 25 minutes in the stock. So now we put this just in the leaf. That it's covered everywhere, that it's not will touch the salt dough. So, and then we have here a piece of salt dough. I prepared this already with the pasta machine to get more or less this thickness. So, and then we take the pre-cooked topinambur and put this inside the dough. That it's really good closed inside. So, and there we have a leaf. This is a piece of the dough head, a little bit thinner, and then we have a cutter where we cut the leaf. And this comes on top just for decoration actually. So, and then we have a piece of baking paper, and then it goes to the oven. Okay, so, and then we put this on a metal with a piece of baking paper underneath. And then it goes to the oven by 170 degrees for 20 minutes.
So basically now we continue with the topinambur dish. And we're still waiting for the salted dough baked topinambur from the oven. And we continue here with some topinambur puree. It's seasoned with brown butter and a little bit of olive oil. Over here we have some glazed topinambur pieces. One special of that dish are those figs. Those figs are basically unripe, and we grind them and cook them in a salty water because when they're unripe they're kind of poison. And after them we pickle them for around 2 to 3 months, and then they have a really nice acidity and also really nice fresh fig flavor. On top of the puree, we add a little bit of coconut, roasted coconut flakes. Over here we have some topinambur chips. We make it with the whole topinambur with the skin, so we also have some nice caramelization flavor and also the color. And to add a bit more freshness to the dish, we have some herbs. It's called Johankraut. I think it's basically a different kind of black currant herb. Alright, then we can start.
So now I will take it out from the oven. It was cooked now by 170 degrees for half an hour, 20 minutes. So and then it looks like this. So and then we cut this with the knife very carefully. The orange, so then we take the lid, so then we send this like this to the client outside, and the waiter will open up then the lid in front of the clients. So and then we have the steam comes out, and then they will take a little bit the leaf away. And then you have a very nice topinambo. And now Thomas comes with the sauce, and we'll cover it with the sauce and with some fig oil.
And for the final touch, we have some fig leaf oil.
So that's it. We say bon appetit, and hopefully we see us next time at the Ocean Restaurant and Bia.